Hi.
Hey.
How's it going?
My name is Mike Pellin. I'm the founder and CEO of a company called Princeton Audio. So about 2.5 years ago, I started Princeton Audio with basically two premises. Number one, I wanted to do economic development in Princeton. I wanted to build a manufacturing company in the middle of Wisconsin, as crazy as that sounds, to bring jobs there. And two, I wanted to build audio endpoints. My background is product development consulting. So what I was taught for the last 20 years is to build a product, make it out of plastic, and ship it to China. Well, shipping it to China didn't fall within that building manufacturing in Princeton, so I pretty much took everything I learned over the last 20 years and just did the opposite. And so I ended up with this. What is this? Well, it's a beautiful, portable, wireless audio endpoint, and for you non-engineers, that means it's a Bluetooth speaker. It's made from tone woods, it's handcrafted, so people actually have to put it together. So manufacturing jobs in Princeton. If you guys want to hear a speaker?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Rock and roll.
We make these out of tone woods, and a tone wood is basically a wood that's crafted by, a musical instrument's crafted out of tone wood. Black walnut and maple are with me. Mahogany and cherry we also carry. So this black walnut, I'm going to turn the speaker on. If I tap this twice, I'm going to cast to it as a Bluetooth speaker. And I'm going to just use my iPhone here to cast to Spotify to it. And so part of my demo is, the one rule is no making fun of my music. So I'm going to put a little Steely Dan through this thing. Sounds pretty good.
Sounds great.
Sounds very unmanufactured, like a musical instrument. That's pretty cool.
How much does this cost?
It costs, the first one costs $359.99 or $349.99. And we do sell it through 4 channels right now. So we do sell it B2C through our website, B2B wholesale. So we do have a couple of wholesalers signed up in the state. We're also on Amazon.
What's your cost?
Our cost to manufacture one in quantities of 1,000 are $167.
$167.
What's your wholesale cost to a
Right now, $210. $210 we sell to Amazon. And so what we wanted to do is we wanted to build a product that you could use as a replacement for your home stereo, but when you wanted to take one out to the campfire and have a can do both. So the other thing that I'll do here is that since we do handcraft everything, one of the things that's interesting here is that you can see this sling that's on here. We're actually in the process of building a partnership with New Glarus.
I'm worried about your margins.
Yep.
I mean, your wholesale margins aren't enough to really make any money for you.
Wholesale margins typically on an initial product is, you want to be about 20%. So we're 18-19% on the first speaker, and we're 47 on the second. And so
why 47 and what makes it 47?
Because I don't have to sell it through the wholesaler, I can sell it direct.
Are they?
Oh, so you think you will be able to sell
Absolutely,
it direct?
it's already happening. That's exactly what's happening. Somebody gets one, and then they find out they can get a second one for a little less money from us direct, and they're buying it from us direct. And so I also made another speaker here that we're going to give to you.
Oh, again, you just touched my heart. There it goes. That's right.
Can't believe you get all the free stuff.
I don't own the mark, so.
Just a quick question on price point. Like, where does 350 put you in the marketplace? At the top of the top and
Nope.
on portables?
Nope. There's portables that we're about in the middle.
Okay.
So portables like from a Bowers and Wilkins will run you $599. There's other ones that'll run up to $899. So real high-end portable speakers are run the gamut.
So Mike, thanks for your pitch. What do you need from us? What are you looking for?
The toughest thing for me in this process of starting a manufacturing company is capital. Is access to, for a manufacturing company for sure, is access to capital. It's been very difficult in the state of Wisconsin. Basically, I call it chasing money. So trying to get access to capital has been very difficult. The other thing that I failed to mention is that everything you pretty much see in that speaker is all sourced from the state of Wisconsin, not just manufactured in the state of Wisconsin.
We love to hear that.
So
Very
Go
nice.
Wisconsin.
Well, and I like when you say you want to see more capital in the state of Wisconsin, because that's a problem we have, and I hope that we can help that for all entrepreneurs in Wisconsin. We need to get more people to invest in businesses like yours.
starting a manufacturing company in Wisconsin, people thought I was crazy. And so we've spent the last 2.5 years we're shipping product. We're actually generating our own cash right now, which is phenomenal.
You're far from crazy.
Well, thanks so
Thanks,
much.
Mike.
Well, thank you.
Great.
Perfect.
Good job.
Thanks.